Hey guys, it's Erica from Catherine Polar Designs, and I don't know about you, but I am gearing up for the holiday card making season. So I thought, what better way to do that than to introduce you to our brand new collection with CP and Sizzix. This one's holiday themed, so it is going to be absolutely perfect, and it also was created to work alongside the print and pattern tool that Catherine designed with Sizzix. This tool is amazing. If you haven't got your hands on it yet, you're going to want to get one by the time you see the new stencils and stamps that are in the collection. And also there are some dies in here that I'm obsessed with. So how about we take a look at the full collection? Let's do it. Let's start by taking a look at the print and pattern tool. So first you have your stencil and stamp platform. You take off the lid, and then you have your print and pattern tool. It has a stamp attachment as well as a stencil attachment. This just clicks right in and you're ready to go. Obviously, we wouldn't have both of these on at the same time, but that just shows you how it works. Click, click. You can stencil, you can stamp. So let's start with the stencils in the collection. We've got the print and pattern Retro Star Stencils. This is a 3-layer stencil. You've got your squares, you've got your diamonds, and then you've got your stars. And you can really use these in such a wide variety of ways. You can use them individually to add detail to cards and projects. You could even stencil out a whole background for like wrapping paper or a box, something like this, using that square. Or you can use them all together to get this look. The great thing about these stencils is they have holes all the way around, so you can position them however you want on your print and pattern tool. Just continue to turn it to create your design. You're really only limited by your own imagination. Now let's take a look at the next stencil, which is the print and pattern Star on Top. This one is a super cute tree design. I absolutely love it, and it is a 2-piece layered stencil. You've got your full tree design, and then you've got a half. And what you can do with this is ink blend with a lighter color first, and then overlay your darker color and make something like this. I really love how simple this is. What a great card for doing mass production for the holiday season. You could make a ton of these in no time flat. And then if you want to do a patterned look, you can just stencil out a bunch of them. You can see that they ink blended on here, got a really, really cool different shades of green. And I love the little bit of overlap that she put on this card. I think it is a lot of fun, and we're gonna see where this die came from in just a minute. Because again, just remember, everything that we create is really made to be used together in harmony so that you can have a lot of fun with your projects. So, how about some stamps? We have the print and pattern around the holiday stamp set. This one has a circular design, and again was created to go with the print and pattern tool. So here are the various circular stamps, and then some other really cute stamps that you can layer in. You've got this little open guy. You can stamp these inside. You got a bell, a candy cane. How about this cute little stocking? Some snowflakes. Really, really cute, and I absolutely love the snowmen. So with this stamp set, you could do something cute like this. Stamp that shape, add your snowflake, and with that print and pattern tool, you're really able to get a great pattern, super easy. How about this one? It's giving holly berry. I love it. The addition of the holly, we'll see where that came from in a minute, as well as the sentiment. But I love this, so easy using this stamp and the dot. And you could do this in so many colors. This would even be cute outside of the holiday season. Do it in some bright, wild colors. Make a pretty pattern. I love how she stamped the candy cane into the center of that flourish, added the bell. This is really charming, and created a strip of almost like custom pattern paper on that one. And how about this guy? How cute, making a focal point out of stamping those snowmen and putting it on the center of the card. This stamp set is going to be so fun. You can see all the different ways that you can use it. Again, Creativity. Then we have the Print and Pattern Holiday in the Square stamp set. This one is a little bit more classy and elegant, and you can see that it has the square motif. And this square is going to be really handy. A lot of these, again, are going to be stripes. You're going to use these year-round to make absolutely gorgeous patterns. This one was designed with the idea of like how fun to make a whole sheet of this like wrapping paper. This one just features the tree stamp. It's right here, stacked up. How fun. Then you could make like a border. Again, with that Print and Pattern tool, it's going to be really, really easy to stamp these out, and they are sized to do click, 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 and make it really, really easy. Here's another one. I love the bow on this card. It's a great addition. We're going to see that in a minute, but this is what this stamp set was designed to do, and I love it. Super festive. So those are the stamps. Let's take a look now at the sentiments. We have the Warm Winter Wishes sentiment stamp set. This one is really, really fun and pretty, and again, all of these sentiments are going to work with the rest of the collection. We've got Winter is Calling, Skating in a Winter Wonderland, Warm Winter Wishes, you've got Merry Love, Snow, and then you've got some extra phrases that are going to mix and match and also pair back with the rest of the collection. So look at this one. This used some of the stencil square, some of the stamps, and then some of the sentiments to create a beautiful card. Winter is Calling, Let It Snow. Now, you see an and bright. Let's see how we can use that with some of the other things. How about Oh So Merry Thinlits? This one is so cute and it's going to be a lot of fun as well. You have got a jam-packed set of Thinlits here, merry and bright. You've got the ornaments and little flourishes and all the little toppers for the ornaments. And you can make something like this, merry and bright. I love the merry by itself, and again, it'll mix and match back with the Warm Winter Wishes sentiment stamp set. You could use the whole thing and make a showstopper card like this. I love the colors here. It's really, really, really bright and cheerful. And then, what if you mixed the letters up and made a little burr card? Snowflakes are falling. Very, very simple gridded pattern with the snowflakes and add in the burr. And who doesn't love a pink snowflake card? That's one of Catherine's favorites. She's got a January birthday and she loves a pink snowflake card. Now let's take a look at the Thinlits that we have in the collection by taking a look at the holiday adornment. I am obsessed, you guys, with this gorgeous wreath. Look at these wreaths. Different ways you could make them. And they even come with sound effects. All of the different colors you can choose, the way you can layer the different leaves on. There are little embellishments with the berries, the diamonds, and the stars that you can add. We'll see this candy cane in a minute. Beautiful, sophisticated card like this with gorgeous ink blending on the back. I love that bow that we saw earlier. And then look at this one. Print and pattern stamps to you and yours. Really, really a showstopper. And again, this kind of plays a little bit more to an elegant style, but you certainly can get playful with it. Lots of versatility with this one. And now, shall I say we saved the best for last? Well, I mean, it's all so good. But how about the On Ice Thinlits? We just absolutely love the way that this set came out. And you could go super simple, make a little skate, add a little lace to it, or you can go wild. Pile it on. I love the lace detail there. And create gorgeous cards like this. And here are those candy canes. And the little embellishments, the poinsettia, the leaves, the holly, the rest of the other, this is kind of like a mistletoe kind of leaf, the bow, All of these embellishments, you can really stuff the skate with them. Put some metallic on the blade. That's a really fun look. And these poinsettias, I mean, how about this? I think I made this one. Got some glitter snowflakes in here and just made a really elegant card. Now that you've seen the whole collection, you're going to want to head on over to Sizzix.com, CatherinePooler.com, or how about your favorite local retailer that carries Sizzix products, and pick all your faves. You're gonna love it. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.